Oh my goodness, some stocks out there are getting absolutely destroyed today, guys. Absolutely destroyed. And I know a lot of you guys out there are feeling the pain today. I know you are feeling the pain. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm wearing a hoodie, it's because so many people were dissing on my hair yesterday in yesterday's comments section that thought I would wear a hoodie today because my hair is not fixed yet. So we got to talk about this, and I'm going to give you the reason why these stocks are getting destroyed today, because there's really no reason out there. Like, if you look out there, there's like no reason that these stocks should be down so massively, right? But they are. So I'm going to give you that reason today here, guys. How much are they down? Well, we're looking at eBay. eBay's down over 3%. Apple's down nearly 3%. We got MU down 8%, okay? We got Shopify down over 7%, approaching 8%. We've got Google down well over 2.5%. We got Nvidia down over 6%. We have Facebook down close to 4%. We have Amazon down over 3%. These are all very big moves. Alibaba, the biggest e-commerce play in China, is down over 4% here. It's just stock after stock. Square stock is down over 8% today. Okay, Activision Blizzard down close to 5% today. We know they just had the big launch of the new Call of Duty a few weeks ago. Tesla's down over 3%. Netflix is down over 5%. What in the world is going on? Well, first off, what did all those stocks have in common? Those were all tech stocks, okay? They're all in the tech-related field. A lot of stocks that actually aren't in the tech sector actually did pretty good today. I mean, I was looking at a lot of different stocks that have nothing to do with tech, and they did just fine. These are all tech-related stocks, okay? And we remember the NASDAQ has had a phenomenal year. It's way outperformed the Dow and the S&P this year, okay? But let's look at something else that all these stocks have in common, right? So eBay, this stock is up around 16% year to date. That's kind of the lagger of this bunch, right? Apple's up 45% year to date. Micron's up over 100% year to date. We have Shopify up 142% year to date. We have Google up over 32% year to date. We have Nvidia up 85% year to date. We have Facebook up 52% year to date. We have Amazon up over 55% year to date. Alibaba's up 103%. Holy smokes, congratulations, Alibaba shareholders. We have Square that's up 186%. That's just ridiculous. Activision Blizzard up 73%. Tesla up 43%, and Netflix up 53%, guys. So one, we see these are all tech-related stocks, all right? The second thing is we see these are all up massively. The majority, I mean, if you calculated the averages of those stocks, they're probably up 80 to 90% on average. And a lot of those companies are huge companies, right? That's a ridiculous move. So the reason being, and once again, there's nothing out there as far as news to push all these stocks down, but the reason being basically is what you have come late November into the first week of December a lot of times is you have what's called profit taking, okay, by a lot of the big hedge fund managers and mutual fund managers. A lot of their positions that they've made massive amounts of money on, right, hundreds of millions of dollars in some cases, what they will do is on the last week of November, sometimes into the first week of December, is they will sell off those positions, okay? They will take the gains on those so they can show to their clients, wow, we made this much of a gain this year in this stock, this much of a gain in this stock. They get all that done generally last week of November, first week of December. The reason being also is a lot of these fund managers are multi-millionaires, and a lot of them are multi-billionaires, and many of them take nearly the entire month of December off. So they want to get everything closed off. Today's November 29th, so they want to get all their work done now. They want to get all their positions sold. They want to get everything calculated so then they can start their long vacations with them and their family and those kinds of things, guys. So, I mean, Wall Street is dead. Especially Christmas week, all the way into after New Year's. Wall Street is dead, man. There is like no activity. The volumes, if you look at how many shares trade on an average day during Christmas week and during New Year's week, it's like less than half the average volume, guys. That's how few shares are actually being traded out there. It's amazing because a lot of them, they just go away. They go on their vacations and whatnot. They want to lock in their gains for the year. They want to sell off those positions so they can show to their clients when they're on these Christmas vacations. Maybe they run into their clients or they're on a phone call and say, hey, yeah, you should definitely be invested with us in going into this next year, and you should invest even more because guess what? We just made a such and such percent in Nvidia this past year. We just made this much in Facebook this past year. You need to keep investing with us. You need to invest more money with us. And that is a reason why these stocks have fallen massively today, guys. That just happens. It's a lot of profit taking out there before the end of the new year, and people want to go on vacations and kind of get away from the market and do things like that. And it's a good time to kind of wrap that up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, kind of just enlightening you on a lot of times this happens like late in November, early December. People are like, why the heck is this happening? There's no news. There's no bad economic news out there. Everything's it looks kosher. Like we look good right now. Well, why are these stocks falling massively? A lot of times that's what it comes down to, profit taking, guys. So hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you click that first link in the description. That's my 11-part stock market investing mastery course that goes into exactly why I pick certain stocks to invest in, everything I look for in a certain stock. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, my links are down there in that description, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.